Okay, I'm ready to get rich. Wow, those are some nice boobs. I'm stressed. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys have figured this out. I don't do as amazing on social media as you think that it allows me to just do social media work. Nowadays, there just aren't any jobs right now, okay? As an influencer or a content creator, there's really not much for me to do. The world can be on shutdown, but I don't think our bills are going to go on shutdown either. And I know most of you guys are gonna say, why don't you try Online Jobs PH and Upwork? I have. I've officially run out of connects on Upwork. Online jobs, like, it's just hard for me to find a job there. Therefore, what can a content creator like myself do in a situation like this? We are going to try the different ways that you can find money online through your phone or basically like through apps. So the 5 apps that I'm going to be trying out today are Kumu, Bigo. I'm gonna try out Kumu. So let's start with Kumu. I know that an artista owns it. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a streamer. Why not here, right? Maybe my full potential lies in Kumu. So let's try it out.
Hey guys, so you're confused about Kumu.
That's what I'm talking about! That's what I need! Let's watch something.
Bumili ka po. Yan. Bumili po ng mag-avail ka or mag-purchase ka ng coins. Kung gusto mo talaga ng mabilisang pag-level up.
This is so overwhelming because there's so much going on the screen and I'm just like, what the actual F? Alright, I don't really get it, but let's try it out anyways. Kung nakaligo ka na and you got nothing to hide, mag-video live stream ka na. Hindi kung maligo, mag-birthday ka. Wala ka pang makeup? Feeling camera shy? Try going audio only. I'll go on this thing with or without makeup because I'm beautiful with or without it, you know? Okay, I'm ready to get rich! Hello, I'm ready to become the world's next millionaire on Kumu. Oh my god, I got hearts already. Oh my god, binigyan ako ng mask. I don't know what that means. Oh my goodness, 50,000 diamonds. I convertible to 1,000 pesos. Oh my goodness, I got a drumstick. Oh my goodness, you guys are actually sending me gifts. Wow, you guys are the best. What the actual... Oh my god! That was really weird. I spent like 24 minutes on it. I had 42 viewers, 5.8k jamon. I got 1,475 likes. I was on the app, I was just using it. I was just like trying to figure it out. And then someone found me. And then he was like, oh, you want to be a part of the A-team? And I'm like, A-team sounds like so legit. Okay, so at what point in all of this do I start telling people that I'm married? Sometimes I feel like apps like this are like places where people go to lurk on you and stuff like that, which is why I get scared to do it. But I'm here and I'm doing it. Alright, anyways, I am done with Kumu. Let's go on Bigo. What? Wow, those are some nice boobs. The thing I'm noticing on Bigo is it looks a little bit hypersexualized. It's not as friendly as the Kumu app. Like, if Kumu says that you can't show alcohol or like your cover photo has to be this and that, like Bigo is like the complete opposite. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh my god, you can add filters on this thing. Oh my god, there are already people on this thing. Hi! Ano to? It's my first time. Oh my god! How are... Ano to? Ito pala. Nag-match tayo.
Mas lang, walang tayo. Mas lang, walang tayo.
Ako ay pinagpalit.
Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. What the hell? Oh my god, there's another person! Like, nobody's saying anything. Let me try to match one more time. Wow. Hi!
Wow pa din.
Ha? First time ko po dito. Hindi ko po alam kung anong ginagawa ko.
Nasa tamang tao ka.
Wow. Swabe mo ah. Oh my god. Mag-bless ka. I'm 29. You're like a baby. Naghahanap ka ba ng girlfriend?
Dapat itawag sa'yo.
Ate. Anong gusto mo, babe? Love?
Mabilis ka din. Ayan.
I'm married na. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yung ginagawa mo.
Bakit ba? Akala ko ba hindi to dating app?
Hindi to dating app.
Oh, di ba? So I can be here then because I'm not looking for a boyfriend. Should I not be on Bigo because I'm married? Alright guys, I am gonna go. Oh my God, kuya! Aalis na po ako! Sir! Paalis na po ako! Goodbye! Sa next, uulitin na lang po. Huwag kang umalis sa bahay nyo kasi naka-lockdown po tayong lahat.
Ako, hindi pwede kasi frontline ako, ma'am.
Ah, talaga po? Saan po kayo nakatrabaho?
Dito sa security.
Ah, oh my gosh, kuya, mag-ingat ka. Saan yung mask mo?
May mas ako nasa loob naman lahat mga empleyado eh.
Ah, ingat ka palagi, kuya, ha? Sige po, alis na ako. See you soon. What the heck did I just do? I had 116 viewers, 5 new fans, I had 0 beans. I don't know what the fuck that means. I'm gonna try out Who because my friend said that I should try out Who. I need to talk to Paul about this. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm trying out Who. My friends and I were talking and they're like, hey, I heard that there's this app called Who where all you need to do is like pick up calls, start talking anonymously, 30 seconds later camera will launch. God, so it's calling someone. Who am I calling? How do you make money off of this thing? The camera. Oh my gosh, hi! Hi! You're so pretty! So are we just like not gonna say anything? Oh my god, she put me down. She doesn't.
Hi, ang ganda mo.
Hi! Ang ganda mo
Ang ganda mo.
rin! Oh, okay, so I have to pay to talk more. Oh, I don't have any coins. Don't be such a bore. Sorry. Hi! People just don't want to talk to me. Hi! Oh my god, nobody wants to talk to me. I've never used a dating app in my life ever. I've never actually felt this kind of rejection. I've never tried like chat roulette or like Omegle. This is my first time and nobody wants to talk to me. Should I show my boobs for this? Hi! I hope you guys are safe over there. Oh my god, she didn't want to talk to me. Hi!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
I hope you're
Where are you
safe.
from?
Cebu. I'm from Philippines.
Yes, you too.
So if I just talk to guys, then they'll send me money? Okay, you know what? I give up already. Alright guys, that's the video. I don't want to do this anymore. That's a very weird video. It's a weird video. I don't know why I'm doing this. So, tried out 3 streaming apps that potentially allow you to make money off of it. I tried out Kumu, I tried out Bigo, and I tried out Who. I did really like Kumu, I guess, because like it's friendly. I like the whole look and feel of the app. And because I got the most gifts off Kumu, honestly. I liked Bigo as well. It had like those cute filters. And I think it was really fun that I was able to like mix and like match with other people. I don't know, I think it was fun because I actually got to talk to other people. It was like I could see them and stuff like that, so that was kind of fun. It's just like people just lurk on that app. They don't necessarily say anything, so it's harder for you to make friends. So I like Kumu and I like Bigo because they are streaming apps. It is another platform for me to make more friends, to get more followers, to get more viewers on my vlog. It is a way for me to make new friends, which I'm always like happy to do. Like I can't imagine myself actually using these apps in the future. Who, however, like I've honestly never been rejected my whole life like that. Like people will look at you and say, I don't like it. So I think that's how it feels like if you ever went on Tinder or something, which I've never done, so I wouldn't really know. I don't think I would do Who again just because like I feel like I'm constantly waiting for people to like accept my call. Right now, as we speak, I am actually considering like going on these live stream platforms, but I don't know which one yet. So if you guys could let me know which one you want me to go on, I will continue to go on that platform. It is a potential for me to expand my income, especially nowadays. I really would suggest these apps if you want to like boost your confidence, if you want to practice your speaking skills, if you want to like mentor people, if you want to show off your talents. I would definitely suggest going on there. But if you also like want to go on your Instagram lives, I guess that's good too. Or on your Facebook lives and stuff like that. This was like a really interesting vlog and I'm actually really tired from shooting it. So I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know what you think about it. If you would want me to try something like this again, I would be more than willing to. If you guys want anything in the comment section below, leave it down there and I'll do it for you guys. So I love you. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, that subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.